Had my scouter on, steady scouting. All these rappers, the shit was just so astounding. The one thing that I happened to notice while browsing was none of their power levels was over 9,000. If I was Krillin, you bitches couldn't even fuck with this. See, I don't drop CDs, I drop Destructo discs. A Super Saiyan, don't really care what you're saying, player. The rapping Goku, I hit you with the Kamehameha. Lil Messin' go Majin just like Vegeta. I'll break you down south by selling stuff you in my freezer. My Gallic gun will leave holes all up in you like a sneaker. And if you don't got the Dragon Balls, I wouldn't wanna be ya. I go dumb like Messin' be making no sense. Till Lil Messin' confuse you like you was gold tanks. They call me the god of destruction in my hood. Wanna battle with the gods, boy, I wish a nigga would.
Best believe I'll defeat any general in the spectrum. If your army's ripped and ready, send in my direction. I'm well versed in the art of ascension. A perfect 10, third eye open by perspective and observation. These are gods that you're faced with. A martial artist painted with my fist pad to go ape shit. I find your ego and your arrogance is tasteful. You're nothing but a media puppet like Dr. Satan. Your front is beast to cower behind your label and quick to take the credit for the work of the ancients. For far too long, this cultural spaceship has been manned by shape-shifting pigs. Now making you mean crazy dog, pick a low level to stoop to. Drum up false symbols, tampering with evidence that suits you. You ain't a Z-fighter, homie, need a ghost rider. Villain is you gotta be grilling me, dog, you X-Fighter.
Get you split. My spirit is so sick that they try to burn it at the stake and call it a witch. I'm sick, and I'm not even signed. But I got the sick rhymes and delivery is my define me to meter. I'm Vegeta defeater, martial arts will sharp. You can call it the cleaver, you can call me the leader. I'm the one you gotta go through, what you gon' do? I'm the one who train Goku, Super Saiyan when I'm flying, boy, I did your whole crew. You don't know the length I'll go through for them not to know you. Conjure up a spirit bomb, record out here fearing none. Really, you can get you some, I whoop that ass from here to now. Homies are some juggalos, harder than Piccolo. With simple, bro, your simple flow will keep you with your neighbor. Don't I'm gonna sit on my throne, I'm cooler than Freezer, I'm clowning. Power level at 9,000, outstanding.
I shot right down from heaven, left for dead in the dirt. But Static G had all 7, resurrected me first. Yup, trauma to the brain, but it felt a lot worse. Now I'm strapped up like the army and I'm set for the purge. I came to save a nation like fucking go Super Saiyan. I'm just saying, gonna be famous, so all my haters can face it. No other way you can weigh it. I'll leave you inebriated when my final form comes. Immortal is how they made it. Cause I'm redder than Reddit's extraterrestrial savage. I'm gonna laugh cause you whack and I've always been bad. Just go to the lab, hit the pad with the pen, it don't matter. Splinter cell, motherfucker, going ghost like Casper. See the pitter patter of the rain on the ground. But me or Goku dripping, we don't hear no sounds. Go on, going hard in the paint right now. These are Dragon Balls B, so get the fuck down.
Last time on Dragon Ball Z, Static Jesus came from the sky. Godspeed, I see all green. All you slugs bow down, I'm Lord Frieza. You Goku, I'm Lord Beerus. You Reese, I'm Lord Jesus. I'm a bad man. You can tell what I look and I get beef. See what I'm saying? Smell what I'm cooking? Rock on, Majin Yakon grows 3 times fatter. Now I'm taking all of you jokes up to King Kai's planet. And I'm dirty as Master Roshi. So I'm pure for Nimbus. So I'm eating mushrooms, drunk driving on back of Yoshi's. And y'all can gather all the Dragon Balls and wish that we could be some equals. But the dragons all you bitch, that's a wish I can't grant. Russian past foes, you're like a Saiyan's hair. If you don't get cut, you can't grow. But I'm a Zenkai boost, I'm like 10 times you. I eat the competition using just my head like food. No senzu, dude.